everyone, welcome to the channel. For today's project, we're making another gift bag. I did one earlier and that was for police. And this one I'm doing just kind of a dressy, can be Father's Day, for your dad's birthday. It can be, something for groomsmen's gifts, for a coworker. It's really cute. So we're using the career uniform gift bag add-on and gift bag A and gift bag B to create this project. It came together so quickly. It's so cute. So let's get started. Getting started, I cut out everything I need ahead of time. So the pattern paper you see is Doodlebug Bundle of Joy. So I cut the shirt, the collar, and the placard where the buttons go out of that paper. The kind of limey bright green you see is actually Park Lane paper from Joann's that I got on clearance. And then the pink, I believe is the pink is from Discount Cardstock, and I can't recall the name right now. Apologize for that. So I used the pink for the bow tie and the suspenders. And then you can see I've cut out the belt, and I'm going to attach the belt loops and the belt buckle. And then I also cut out leather tabs for the base of the suspenders, and then the gold adjusting clasps that are towards the top of the suspenders. So you'll see all that. So I'm using again the gift bag set A and set B, and then the shirt and all the details here again is the careers uniform die set, which is perfect for Father's Day. And I have all kinds of examples. You might have seen some of these already at the end of how we can use this. And I didn't even touch on everything. I still think you could make a woman's military uniform out of this set too. I just never had time to do it. So adding the tabs, like the leather tabs that would be at the base of the suspenders, forgive my head. Got those attached, and you can just see, I mean, we're almost done. And how quickly this comes together. And then these would be the tabs that go over for adjusting the suspenders. We put the belt loops on the belt. We've got the belt buckle. We're adding buttons on the tabs. That's what the big buttons are from the die set. The die set's so fabulous because you cut all the buttons at once. You're not cutting and then running it through again and then running it through again. You are cutting all the buttons out at once. So love that. I apologize for the background noise. It's really windy in the Minneapolis area today. We had a tornado warning earlier. But anyway, we're going from 90 degrees to 60 degrees. Okay, so now I'm assembling the bag. So this is the gift bag portion A. And now this is the portion A. The first one I did is B. And you can do two B's together and make like a brown paper bag, make it look like that if you want. Or this one then has a top and a flap, whatever works best for you. And so you just kind of pinch in where the score lines are so that the bag closes. And there's two tabs where you can put your score tape on or your glue, and you just line up the edges. It couldn't be easier. So those are all attached, and then you fold in the two side flaps and then the two top flaps, and you're done. Literally took about a minute and a half to put that together. And then I'm gluing my shirt to the front and making sure everything is stuck down, and that will finish our bag. All right, and here's what we made together. So a little gift bag for whomever you choose. You just tuck the little flap in the back and it stays. It's really cute. And you can do a little sentiment on the back on this one. So this is the police one I did. Little thank you. And then I put thanks for being great up on the top. And I want to make wax seals to seal these so it's kind of special when you open it. But you could do a whole sentiment right there. Write a little note. That kind of thing as well. So then here's the one we did together. And then for fun, I'm like, what else can I make? So instead of leaving it button up, I folded the flaps over and put the stripes on and cut the tie off. I cut out 2 ties and cut it apart and made it a naval uniform. So it's kind of hard to see. There we go. Naval uniform, put the little bar that's there. So, and I know the navy has 3 stripes, but it didn't fit on there. So there's that one. We'll bring the police here. And then we did the airlines, which I think is so cute. And then in the side, it just says, "You're plain amazing." So how fun is that? So anyway, thanks so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe if you found value in this video, and we will see you soon. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.